All right, this is a Kia Soul, and the customer state says vehicle will start but no power and won't go. Okay, let's go ahead. Ooh. Do you guys see this? Oh yeah. But let's go ahead and verify it first. It will start. Now, crank, no start. It did start earlier, but it died. Let's try it one more time if we can able to start it. Nope. Yeah, so we have crank and no start condition. Okay, check this out, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this thing. Oh boy, they put this thing in here pretty good. Here we go. Sorry, but I don't need you right now. Just try to clean it a little bit. All right. Hey, it did start and it's running. So this guy is causing the crank no start condition. So Kia owners, do not put this one in your ignition cylinder. Yeah, do not install this one. Start it again. All right, it did start. How about let's go ahead and put this in really quick. Let's see if the immobilizer will recognize it right away. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Crazy. Thank you guys for watching.